Hi, this is Linda from the Crafty Crew, and today I'm gonna try to work on a little flower pot for your patio or a windowsill. I found these adorable little watering pots at Target for $3 and I couldn't pass them up. They looked so cute, and so I grabbed some of these marbles for weight in the pot. And I got a bunch of pretty little sunflower bouquet that I'm going to put into the pot. I did previously cut the ends so that and measured so that they'll fit in the pot, and that way we won't have to mess with that. I think everybody can figure out how to cut them and work on that. So here we go. I'm going to pour the marbles into the pot. Really simple to do. I use about a half of the can, pretty much, so that the flowers will stand, they'll stay. And then I just start putting them in there, and the marbles will hold them, keep them secured, and just kind of work the flowers around how you want them. These really turn out quite cute, and you can put any kind of flower in it. You can get real creative with what you want to do with it. As you can see, it's not hard at all. And then you bend, it's easy if you bend some of them so they'll curve over the edge of the pot for you. And I'm going to add some of my white flowers. And the more you get in there, the more secure it's going to be. That the marbles will hold it, and then of course when you get more in there, the flowers will also help to keep it tight in there. And you can see it starting to shape up into a really cute little pot to put on your end table or windowsill or anywhere you'd like to put them. It just depends on how you want to work with it and how you'd like it to look. You can see how it's already coming together a little bit like that. And how cute it is. It's just adorable. And I had some of these little guys, I don't know what they're called, but they come in handy with floral decorations and stuff. So I just kind of put it in there to kind of fill empty spots that help fill that up so you can't see through the pot so much. And you can see how it kind of fills in and helps out with that. And it turns out really adorable. And I found the flowers, there you go. And I found the flowers at Hobby Lobby. So I'll hold this up a little bit and turn the camera so you can kind of get an idea of just how adorable it really turns out to be. And like I said, you can put any kind of flower you want. I've got all sorts of flowers that I bought because I kind of went crazy and bought a bunch of the little pots, watering pots at Target because they're so darn. Hi, I also wanted to add on to my previous video that also with these pots you can use a foam type of styrofoam to put your flowers into to hold them instead of the marbles. You don't have to use those. It's whatever you choose to do. But I did want to share with you some of the flowers that I have done. You did see the sunflowers. Here's another one that I worked on. It is like with little roses, white and red roses. I am not pleased with this one yet. I just don't feel it's done. It's not in proportion. but I'm still working on it. But this is something that you can do is with the small roses, look really cute. Or I have another one, and now these are not done. They're just trial to see how they're gonna work together with all these flowers. And you can see the little bouquet I've picked, the yellow little flowers, the daisies, the little bulbs, how they all work out. It's a lot of fun to kind of mix and match and see what works. Here is another one that I've got that I'm still working on. You can see, I told you I went crazy, and I did. These are violets, and I've chosen some of these little bead bulb looking things, and these things are so cute, and they fill in really well in floral arrangements, as do these as well. So I have a lot of fun with this stuff. And also these little items, oops, I found at Target, and here's a pink one and also a beige one. And these were like $1, $1.50 something, real cheap. They're just adorable. But when you put them into one of these little floral arrangements, it really can add something to it. So I picked up a couple of those as well. Here is one where I found some very cute, colorful, I guess you would call these wildflowers. This one is done, and I really like it. I think it's just very cheerful, very spring-like, and I think it would look really adorable on a patio or a table or whatever. And also, the last one I've got is these. These are just a bunch of purple little flowers that I thought were adorable. And then again, you can see the pink ones, the little bulb berries, whatever you call them. And I had this kind of flower, I had it in my floral collections, so I just pulled it out to test and see if it would go with this at all. And I think it might work its way into something here, but we'll find out. So that's all that I have. I'd show you the other one, but that's for my daughter's birthday, and I don't want to spoil it for her, so I can't show it. So that's all for today, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Thank you. Bye.